Hi guys, it's from Perfect Homes again, and today we're taking you here at a very big house in San Pisia area. The size of this house is 450 square meters with the land size of 309 square wah. This is very big, and I would recommend to those who have a big family and you have a lot of pets, so they can have enough space. And right now I'm sitting in the living area. So when you are coming from the front door, you will see this area first. Okay, now let's go have a look at the whole house. This house is very spacious, and down here you have a lot of space. Right now I'm sitting in front of the dining area. And behind me over here is another living room with a TV. Let's check out. Come on. Ooh, this is very big with the big sofa and very comfy. So this room, you have a lot of mirrors around, the windows, and you also have the big sliding door to close when you have a party in here and you don't want it to be so loud. And right now we are about to check out the office or the bedroom downstairs. Let's go. Ooh, this room is also spacious. So if you don't want it to be an office, maybe you can turn it into the bedroom downstairs as well. And right next to it, you have a big bathroom too, which is separate from the wet and dry area. And right now, I'm standing in front of the kitchen. Are you ready? Because I love this kitchen. Ooh, this is so nice. If you have a big family, you would love this, of course. And you have the big sink here at the island, and you have a very long countertop. You have everything. You get the oven down here, and you have a lot of storage. Ooh. And you have another 2 sinks here too. And behind me over here, it's another door to access outside of the house. So when you walk out on your left, you will have a Thai kitchen as well. And you also have the maid rooms and the maid's bathroom too. And let's check out upstairs. Up here you have 4 bedrooms, and each bedroom you will get en-suite bathroom too. So let's start at the master bedroom first. Ooh, this is so nice. Wow. This is very big. The furniture is very selective and the room is very big. Also, you have the balcony over here. Ooh. So you can have coffee in the morning and enjoy your own garden view and Doi Suthep view as well. And when you walk back into the house, I would like to show you this one. So you have your walk-in closet which is very spacious as well. Ooh. And let's walk over here. Ah, I see the bathtub. Ooh, this is very big bathroom. And look, you get a very big mirror as well. And again, you have a big windows there too. And opposite the master bedroom, you have another bedroom here. let's check out. Before we go in, there is the big built-in closet there too, so you can put your towels, your blankets, and everything. Oh, right now you have a very big bed in here, and you have a closet there. Also, you have a smaller bathroom there, but you still have the partition for the wet and dry area. And of course, my favorite spot here, the balcony. You get a very big balcony and you can enjoy the garden view again with the breakfast, a coffee, whatever you like. And after we've seen the second bedroom, right now let's check out the third bedroom. Ooh, when you walk in, you can feel that the room is very cool, and you have the big 2 windows where you can see your trees outside, and you have the fish pond down there too. And again, you have your own bathroom. And we will have the last bedroom, which is the 4th bedroom here. Ooh, this is next to the master bedroom, but right now the owner put some private items there, so I won't show you this room. So after we've seen the whole house inside, right now I'm in front of this big house with the big garden. So just to remind you again, the land size is 309 square wah. You can even add the big swimming pool here too. And the living area of the house is 450 square meters. Around here you have a lot of trees, and you have small sala over there, also a small pond with a cute fish, and then you have a small bridge, looks like a Chinese style. And also you have the parking garage with which can fit 2 cars or maybe more if you park outside of the shade. And if you would like to arrange the viewing, please contact me at this number over here. Before you go, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oh, I forgot to mention that the location of the house is very good. It's very close to the government center and only 3 minutes away from the Mee Chok Plaza, and then you have Lotus, and then you have KFC, and then you have a lot of international schools around here as well. So please contact me at this number over here if you'd like to view the house, and see you next time. Bye bye.